Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into what could be one of the most exciting and game-changing developments in Canon's mirrorless camera lineup, the highly anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If the latest leaks and rumors are accurate, this camera could easily become one of the most powerful hybrid tools for both photographers and videographers alike, setting a new benchmark for performance, design, and innovation. Canon appears ready to shift the paradigm with a brand new full-frame sensor that could land between 30 to 32 megapixels, a significant leap from the R6 Mark II's 24.2 MP. Alternatively, some insiders suggest a 24 MP stacked BSI sensor, the same technology that powers Canon's flagship R3, allowing for dramatically faster readout speeds and minimal rolling shutter, an absolute dream for sports, wildlife, and street shooters. And it doesn't stop there. The camera is rumored to include a dual-processor setup, likely combining the Digic-X and a secondary accelerator chip, which translates into blazing performance, advanced autofocus calculations, and efficient heat management, even during extended high-resolution recording sessions. This combo means you could achieve burst rates up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter, perfect for capturing the blink of an eye moments at a wedding, fast-paced action on the soccer field, or even precise movements in wildlife photography where every millisecond counts. Even more astonishing is the next-generation dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, reportedly being enhanced with AI-powered tracking that could rival, or even exceed, Sony's renowned real-time tracking autofocus. Think about this, a camera that intelligently identifies and tracks your subject, even if it's weaving through a crowd or momentarily hidden. Whether you're tracking birds mid-flight, cars racing around corners, or children darting across a playground, this system will lock on with an uncanny level of precision. Some beta testers claim it almost feels like the camera is reading their minds, selecting subjects before they even fully compose the shot. This is the future of autofocus, responsive, intuitive, and smart. Combine that with an improved image stabilization system that may offer up to 8 stops of compensation, and you've got a tool that allows handheld shooting in the darkest environments. Think 1-second exposures with zero motion blur while shooting inside a dimly lit cathedral or on a nighttime street. On the video side, Canon appears to be finally delivering on the demands of its content creator base. The R6 Mark III is expected to offer 6K RAW video via HDMI, giving users cinema-quality footage that's previously only been available on much more expensive systems. But there's more. Oversampled 4K at 60 and even 120 frames per second is also rumored, ensuring crystal clear image quality with rich detail, minimal noise, and vivid colors. And yes, the notorious overheating issue from earlier Canon mirrorless models might finally be resolved. Thanks to the improved heat dissipation from the upgraded internals, content creators may now be able to shoot longer without fear of the dreaded thermal shutdown. For event shooters or vloggers capturing long sessions, this is a massive step forward. A filmmaker could potentially record for several hours, without interruption, at high resolutions and frame rates. The video-centric improvements continue with support for clog profiles, external monitoring, and perhaps even unlimited recording times, making the R6 Mark III a truly pro-level video tool disguised in a compact mirrorless form factor. The camera's design and ergonomics are reportedly seeing meaningful improvements as well. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, is expected to receive a major resolution boost to 5.76 million dots or higher, now using an OLED display to deliver deeper blacks, better contrast, and higher refresh rates. That means a more lifelike view through the camera, one that rivals looking through a traditional optical viewfinder. Switching between the EVF and the rear LCD, which is also rumored to be upgraded to a 2.1 million dot vari-angle touchscreen, will feel seamless, great for hybrid shooters constantly switching between stills and video. These screen improvements ensure better focus checks, easier menu navigation, and a premium shooting experience overall. Beyond displays, Canon is retaining its durable, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, perfect for outdoor and travel shooters. Ergonomics have been refined based on years of user feedback, including repositioned controls and customizable buttons that better align with how professionals use their gear in the field. Canon is also improving connectivity, featuring updated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and FTP support, making tethered shooting more reliable and remote file transfers smoother for professionals working in real-time environments. Media-wise, the R6 Mark III won't disappoint. It's expected to continue with the dual card slot configuration, but now with support for CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards, giving creators the choice between blistering speed and budget-friendly storage. This is crucial for high frame rate 4K video recording and high-speed burst shooting where data bottlenecks are a major concern. The The camera's processing pipeline is built to accommodate these demands, meaning you'll spend less time waiting on buffers and more time shooting. Combine all of this with Canon's industry-leading color science, intuitive menu system, and excellent lens compatibility via the RF mount, and you've got a system that appeals to both seasoned pros and serious enthusiasts looking to level up. So when is this powerhouse going to be available? The latest rumors suggest a major Canon product launch in August 2025, where the EOS R6 Mark III will be the headline announcement, potentially sharing the stage with the also rumored Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This double drop could completely redefine Canon's mirrorless strategy moving forward. While earlier expectations hinted at a spring release, Canon seems to have delayed to ensure maximum polish and to coordinate a grander reveal, likely timed for peak buying season ahead of the holidays. This timeline aligns with Canon's pattern of strategic launches, often combining multiple bodies to generate buzz across both the APS-C and full-frame markets. So if you're a creator considering a camera upgrade, August 2025 is looking like the date to mark on your calendar. But how much is all of this going to cost? Sources suggest that the Canon EOS R6 Mark III will launch at a price between $2,499 and $2,699 USD for the body only. While that may be slightly higher than the R6 Mark II's $2,499 launch price, the upgrades in resolution, speed, autofocus, stabilization, and video performance arguably justify the cost. When compared to rival offerings from Sony and Nikon in similar tiers, Canon is still providing tremendous value, especially if the camera delivers on everything these leaks promise. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III could be Canon's most important camera release in years. It combines everything Canon has learned from the R5, R3, and R6 series and refines it into a single, all-in-one mirrorless hybrid designed to meet the high standards of today's creators. Whether you shoot weddings, wildlife, vlogs, commercial video, or street photography, this camera looks poised to become the new gold standard for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. The sheer versatility, speed, and reliability wrapped into this camera body could convince many DSLR holdouts and even some Sony/Nikon users to consider switching. If Canon does unveil this beast in August 2025, we may be witnessing a pivotal shift in the mirrorless camera landscape.